The CBD face and body mask is going to be your favorite tool for enhancements. You're going to make so much money off of enhancements on this mask. Now, it is a purple Brazilian clay and kaolin clay. It has argan oil and avocado oil. It's such a beautiful mask. It's extremely lightly scented with lavender. I mean, just enough to cover the clay kind of scent, okay? But what's so amazing about this mask is that it's a brush-on, massage-in mask. You do not remove it. That means no laundry. You don't have to worry about a Vichy shower, and it's so versatile in dry rooms. Now, I have applied it to my hand with a brush, and this is how much you use. A very, very thin layer, okay? You leave it on for 8 minutes, and then you massage it in with oil. Some people massage it themselves but I want you to try this for yourself. Massage it into your hand and see that it leaves no residual, especially when you only add just a couple of drops of the CBD oil to it. It has lots of slip, and it leaves no residual on your hand, okay? Now, you're going to use it for décolleté anti-aging treatments, back facials, foot treatments, hand treatments, whichever. If you want to offer a body wrap, you brush the whole body, you wrap the client, leave the wrap on for maybe 20 minutes, whatever your normal protocol calls for. You take off the body wrap. 90% of it is going to be absorbed into the skin because remember, heat boosts CBD. So now you have the client's own body heat helping invigorate that CBD and make it work even better. You're going to have an exfoliated client, a very moisturized client, relaxed client. It's going to get rid of inflammation. It's amazing. People love this in pedicures because, again, it gets rid of soreness, tightness, pain, inflammation in the legs and ankles and feet. People love it for enhancements. It's the easiest thing to do for an enhancement. And it's so nicely, gently exfoliating without being too rough on the skin. Now, when I released it, it was only supposed to be a body treatment, and then I had all you SDs calling me going, what are you talking about? This is my new favorite mask. So SDs love to use this mask for people who have very dry skin or very, very sensitive skin. Because again, CBD is very calming for the skin. So if you have a client like this, you love to use this mask, but you will remove it on the face because of course we don't want it to block all the beautiful serums and moisturizers that you're going to use. So that's a face and body mask. Brush on, massage in for the body, remove for the face. Good luck.